Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well and I wish you very happy new year to every one of you. Today I'm sharing a recipe of Ragda Pattice, which is very popular street food. In winter, if you want to eat something chatpata and yet warm, this is a perfect recipe for evening snack or when you want to have some light dinner. So let's start. Firstly, we'll make two chutneys, that is green chutney and tamarind sweet chutney. The ingredients you need for making green chutney I have listed on the screen, and also you will find it in the description box below. We are just going to make a fine paste of that and it's done. Now let's make next chutney, that is sweet tamarind chutney. For that I have taken 10 dates which I deseeded and add little water and bring it to boil. To which adding half cup of grated jaggery and mix it well. Now cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until jaggery is completely melted and the mixture becomes little bit dark in color, and then we will add our rest spices. That is half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of soonth or ginger powder, then adding half teaspoon of chilli powder and half teaspoon of black salt. Mix it well and just let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this I'm going to add tamarind extract because I didn't have tamarind, but if you have whole tamarind, I suggest you take half cup of whole tamarind, deseed it and soak it in warm water for 15 minutes, and then you can cook it along with dates. So I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of tamarind extract, which should be enough to give tanginess to our chutney. But you can always taste the chutney at this level and adjust your tanginess or sweetness as you desire. Now I'm adding little water and then we'll grind it to fine paste to make this chutney. So this is how it looks after making a paste. So here are two chutneys are ready. This is sweet tamarind one and this is a green one. Now moving on to make the final step, that is making our patties, which needs to be served hot. So I have taken around 6 potatoes, medium sized potatoes, which I boiled and will now mash it. And firstly some salt as per taste, and then around half teaspoon of cumin powder, then half teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is optional, you can skip it if you want. Then we will add half teaspoon of chili powder, then half teaspoon of chaat masala. Then I added around half teaspoon of grated garlic and ginger. This is completely optional, you can skip it if you do not like the taste of garlic and ginger in your patties. Add some fresh coriander. Then add cornflour, which is around 1.5 tablespoon. Instead of cornflour, you can also use soaked poha or bread powder. Now give it a good mix and then we'll make patties of it. Here are all patties are ready. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and you have to fry it on both sides until it's nice and golden brown. So these patties are ready. Now the final step is assembling these patties with ragda. So here I have made ragda, for which I have taken 1 cup of white peas, which you have to soak overnight, and then pressure cook it up to 4 to 5 whistles by adding salt, turmeric, and chili powder. I will be using this homemade save, which I have made it at home freshly. You can also use the store-bought nylon shave or this medium-sized shave. Now, firstly, pour some ragda in the plate. Then add 2 patties. Then we'll add 2 chutneys, that is green chutney and sweet tamarind chutney. And again, pour some ragda over it. Some sliced onions. You can also add tomatoes if you like. Then we'll add some save on the topping and some fresh coriander. I'll also quickly do another plate of the rest two patties which we made. And lastly, sprinkle some chaat masala and red chili powder. And it's ready. Do give it a try, friends. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.